If you have a problem with belching from cucumbers, this tip is going to save you from that problem. I'm just slicing the cucumbers in half, long ways, and then into quarters. To just go in here and make like a V cut, and that takes that seed right out. I was buying different variety of cucumbers, like the Persian cucumbers, the Armenian, the English cucumbers. I don't get the belches with those, but they're twice as expensive as this American cucumber. I found if I just remove the seeds, I don't have that belching problem.